Hello mo to jamrap ning sa Hornbill TV. Country de coronavirus second wave aigina manu bishi laga jan jayase itu ekla noigina dawai aro oxygen kan komti hoigina jaga bishi de duk pai thage ase dikhe pai ase alag jaga nishna Nagaland de be itu second wave pra manu bishi ge effect kurigina ase state sarkar frontline workers aro sob manu miligina itu bimar laria kuria homoide bi hotai din notun cases to uthi thagi ase ja kalibi state te 244 notun cases thurishi aro choita manu murishi ita Nagaland de 4,425 total active cases ase aro 223 manu morishe cases bishi utia homoy manu bishi bi bal hoy ase aji ami khan laga state especially Dimapur de kiniga itu bimar fight kuribole dayar kuri ase ami khan laga reporter Kekresono para field district chief medical officer logode khota ko asabo over to you akhe
acha manitia ina pandemic la time de confusion khan thakya la bi bishi thagi jay aru confusion thagya la majore uli manukando ki kanuli na janya la time bi bishi thagi jay itone mohanitia Dimapur la CMO Dr. Mua Lore se aru mohanitia janiole mon thagya relating to oxygen availability kanuli bi aru bisna kanuli bi aru manuhan covid thagi ne murija hando tik jaine kinya bury krese aru tange gor loi jaine ina funeral service kan kuli dias na ituan sobi hudiwo aru mohanitia Dr. Mua Lore conversation ne jabo aru first to mohanitia oxygen la availability la hudiwo to itia garne apni babia lo Dimapur entire Dimapur de oxygen do fully available asna na apni la babia la hisab te because cases kun ba se oxygen kan komti hoi jaine manu ina hoina murija la cases kan bi ase to apni tare ki po
as of now, according to the figure, to be specific, we have small 427 B-type and 263 the jumbo oxygen. So like in the private hospital, which we have converted as a COVID hospital, they may be having a little bit shortage, but as of now, we are supporting them. We have given enough oxygen, not enough, but then just to help out the patient for the time being. We have given to all the hospital like Eden Hospital, Fed Hospital, Nikos Hospital, CHSR, and Eden and Zion. So tomorrow we are getting more oxygen. Around 1,000 cylinder will be getting. So if we get that amount of number of oxygen cylinder, I don't think there will be any problem.
Okay. So manitia ro oxygen la huni loise aru oxygen la ro kwanishna to jani loise tula details to manitia ro bisna re jamo to do you think bisna ro available ase fully available ase bisna ro required hole
As of now, we have activated more than 200 plus bed in all the hospital, and then we are ramping up the bed in most of the private which we have taken over. So next week again, we are going to come up with another makeshift hospital, 100 bedded. So if we activate the hospital at the earliest, I don't think there will be any problem for the beds also. Right now, in some private hospital who are running small nursing home or some hospital with limited bed, there may be some issues. But as of now, I don't think that acute shortage of bed is there.
So, like hospital, private hospital, bi kumma do itia do takan COVID patients can be taking place na to in a makeshift tents can be ula se to itia karne makeshift tents can do private hospital aru hospital kon dure available ase Dimapur.
Makeshift we have in Eden Hospital and Fed Hospital. And from today, Olive Hospital is going to be activated. So we are going to get more than 40 plus bed besides the makeshift tent.
To makeshift tents ina hando as mohan dunia tak to army personnel kan set up ko ase ushe to apni hando itu to kinya kotha kuine ina ekta ina re ahiala se apni hando tahan ina modot korala.
The thing is last 1 week we had some crisis with too many positive cases with symptoms coming into hospital. So we, through district task force, we requested army people to make some arrangements. So they willingly came forward and they built all this makeshift tent for the patient.
तो just recently mohan Eden Hospital la de report ekta banaishe and that report to tahan makeshift tent do laishe and then tahan la nijor la hospital la bitor de holibi 25 beds available thagishe aru makeshift bisna de holibi 12 beds available thagishe to itu bisna han ina saine jaile do tahan ra kwala hisab sources tahan la bitor hospital la sources kwala hisab te do bisna do ase to bisna do thagilibi oxygen shortage hua garne tahan modot patients kan ge modot korle mon thagilibi kurigole na parini ase ina koise to apni koise that kalira do ine oxygen do ahibo ko ase to ina wele do oxygen ahile do Eden Hospital ge bi jawo itu oxygen kan tahan grievances share ko la hisab to tani bi punchi jawo kalira ko
Yes. From before, we have already supplied few cylinder to Eden also. So tomorrow, if we get enough cylinder, maybe we'll give more to all those hospitals which require more oxygen.
Okay. So now mohan la ita the next topic to black fungus te jawo aru itu black fungus labi aru manu itu labi aru bishi panic kora labi ase and so far mohan kali news hunia la hisab te black fungus to Assam Guwahati de bi ekta patient itu de diagnose hoine ase to apni black fungus la information do viewers kan ye dio paru lok
For us also, black fungus is something a bit new because we came to know through news only. But I feel that we have lots of specialists here in Dimapur and they are prepared to handle those cases. So I think as the disease evolves, we'll get to know more about the black fungus in future. But as of now, we have very limited information regarding that one.
Okay, to ala question do apni han ine cases kan bi moi age de kwa nishna oxygen shortage thagi ja na bisna nai hoje she ICU re serious cases kan garne bisna nai hoje she aru patients kan ye pathai dia lawi incidents kan bi thagi she and then ina time li manu muria lawi cases bi thagi she to apni la as per your knowledge itya ta kiman jen shortage thagya garne muria la se because mainland India kan de do manu shortage thagya garne bau ho pari li bi shortage thagya garne muria lawi bishi ase aru man Nagaland bi ina la time itya ro dikhe ase creating shortage thagya garne muria la
See, when a patient comes to the hospital, the treating doctors, they decide whether the patient to be admitted or not. So some cases which are usually mild, they might have asked them to go home for home isolation. But if someone is slightly moderate, if there is no bed inside the hospital, they are being treated in the makeshift, where at least oxygen concentrator is there. So, to my knowledge, I have not heard anything that someone has died due to lack of oxygen in any of the hospital. It might have happened somewhere else, but then officially we have not received anything as such.
Okay. तो इतिया रो mohana next question do vaccination de jabo to so far Dimapur re kiman jen vaccination loine se
Till last week, I have only the last week report. So as of now, more than 70,000 has been vaccinated, and then it is going on daily. So it must have the figure must have increased by now, above 70,000 by now.
Okay. तो mohan ine manu vaccination loina ine side effects thagi na hospital de report kurina la cases na nai
As of now, we have not received any that severe side effect due to vaccination. That mild report side effect is almost we have received few cases, but those are something which we expect from any vaccination, also from other vaccine usage. So according to the report, COVID vaccination severe effect has not been reported.
Acha to side effects kan to ki ase?
Usually it is mild pain at the injection site. Some people may have mild fever or flu-like symptoms for 1 or 2 days and body ache. But beside that, there is no other such severe side effect from the vaccine.
Yeah. Itiabi manu vaccine do ine logole boy kha ina labi mohan bi huni pasi itiabi because vaccine noile manu do boy kha lo bimar bishi bia hoi jabo na muri jabo ina boy kha labi ase to apni itu khan ki ko like vaccine do kile logo lage vaccine kile logo lage aru vaccine lo do itu pandemic laga against kina fight ko vaccine lo ra
Itu vaccine lagadi itu na. What I'm telling people is something is better than nothing. For COVID, we don't have any medicine as such to cure or to prevent. So vaccine is the only way out for us now. And it has been proven that vaccine loilito that antibodies will develop. Okay, vaccine loilipi COVID infection be hobo. Will it be that severe type of symptoms will not develop and complications can be isinovo. Ito karni vaccine gungan loigana thagibo ulap to infection be hobo pare will it be moribuli chances or complication ulabuli chance to isikum dia se vaccine loili.
So ide vaccine na first dose lo hanmi manu pela han bi ase to first dose lo han ine second dose loilo la registration so pase or itiabi manu han second dose lo le la bi ase first dose loilo han.
See, this is an ongoing process. The SOP also keep changing. Amakan do first page ti lo ase amakan lo time dito within 28 days ti lobo. So maybe I've already taken 2 doses. So next to government guideline is after 12 weeks only. Lobuli as a second dose. Kangung kan legen as a. Ito karni this vaccine lagabi ulap changes inika hoigana jaya se. Kun kan first dose lagena as a. Ito SOP nahar time di akan do second dose lagan thakado ikuna holibi kun kan after coming this SOP second dose to after 12 weeks lobo. So once you have taken the first dose obviously you will get the second dose in due time.
So sir ita recovery rate la udio manu ina covid bimar hoine manu kiman jon ina admit ho ase ek din de aru kiman jon ek din de recover ko ase rate to.
I'm sorry, I don't have the exact figure right now. Maybe comparatively, recovery rate to, according to the Delhi report, iman to high tonight as of Dimapur. Maybe after some time the figure may change also, because this time the pandemic is so severe. Death kani bishi hoyase, aru mild cases kando kodi bishi wala kodi ase. So we have to compile and see. So maybe on the later date I can give you the exact figure of the recovery date also, recovery rate.
Sir, so the next in a question alakwala do apni han babia do itu pandemic te government kan tahan la side ra are they doing enough tahan la side ra ki kur lage se tahan sobi kuro pares na nai na kuine se kule tahan ki de itabi improve kule lage se aru ki provide kule lage se.
Itya to government kabbi tarkhan paradak motab kuriya se. The logistic and all this problem it's almost everywhere. Right? Say like right now in all over India we require more oxygen, we require regulators, we require more beds, aru face masks, nishina hand gloves kan nishina ase. But since now 1 year all these things are happening now. Sometimes all up to shortage tage, but then we are requesting the government to supply sufficient quantity. So that some logistic problem, some time to time it happens, but it is not that severe, that serious issue as of now.
Okay. तो अपनी आगे रे कोई दिया निशना इने कोविड पॉजिटिव वाला केस तो बिशी हुआ सब मनु के हॉस्पिटल दे एडमिट करा न होए बट देन कुंबा के तो इने गोरे होली भी सेल्फ आइसोलेशन थाकी जावी ने क्वासे सीरियस केसेस कान दो तांगे एडमिट क्वासे तो सीरियस केसेस कान तारे एडमिट कुइ लो हां दो डॉक्टर नर्सेस कान हे सासे होली भी कुंबा तो इने माइल्ड सिम्पटम्स देखा हां दो गोरे पथाई दिया हां दो तान निजोर के किना हाउ लाइक निजोर के किना तान टेक केयर को हाउ विल दे टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स बैक एट होम
Home isolation, if we send some people for home isolation, what we do is we inform the colony people also, council people also, so that they can take some preventive measure in the colony. And for the positive cases or frontline workers are there, they go and advise them, and then we have some treatment protocol for mild cases. Tawai list punegana ase. तो तवे खंदो इटु खान खाबो लागेते कोइगना we give them advice.
Okay. तो मोहन social stigma pandemic ला टाइम दे इटु कोरोना वायरस ला टाइम दे social stigma इन्या ला भी मोहन पिशी हुनी पाइछे अरु frontline workers kan pandemic ला शुरू टाइम दे social stigma face करा दो पिशी मानु थाकिशे तो इत्या तक भी इना frontline workers kan social stigma face कोइना दिगदार पाइने बाहर जावले दुख ना निजोर लागोडे उली दुख पासे इना खान cases kan हुनी पाइछना नै
This time, unlike last year, that social stigma discrimination to iman nai nishina what we are observing, because the colony people also positive will be they accept korte isolate kurigina rakidibo and then colony people they take care of the positive cases. It was unlike last year. This year too that discrimination stigma itukando iman nai nishina. That's my observation. Aru till now my staff can be aja kurado korbrai kuri to itia tak to itu complain to ikubi anai.
तो मोहानित्या सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एकता मानु जानियो मन थाग्या बिशी जानियो मन थाग्या ला एकता दो इने मानु मुरिजा हंदो आपनियान किन्या करेसे ताहन केसेस कुंबा दो हुनी पादो इने कुंबा दो मुरि जाइले भी ताहन के गोर लय जाइना पॉजिटिव केसेस कान भी गोर लय जाइने ताहन फ्यूनरल कुयाला केसेस इने आन भी कुंबा मानु दिखि पाइसे इतु गर्ने इने कुंबा मानु दो होय बिशी बाग खंदो इने क्रिमेटोरियम दे पाथासे होली कुंबा दो गोर लय जाइने तारे फ्यूनरल सर्विस कुया हन भी थागिसे इतु गर्ने अपनी बाबिया दो इने होसाला भी इने से कोले अपनी बाबिया दो सब मनु के इक्वली ट्रीट कोइना सब मनुला सेफ्टी करने सीधा इने क्रिमेटोरियम दे पाथाओ लाग्या ला बाबिया ना अरु प्रोसेस तो किने से एकजन कोविड पॉजिटिव होइने मुनि जाइले
Kitia ekta positive case moribo they inform us also through the hospital. Aru we ask the patient party whether they'll take the body to home or to the cemetery straightway. Kunuba kanto korti loi jaboli bi mondage. Alibi itu kanto we ask them not to take the body inside the house, outside the rakhigana. That the last rite ki prayer meeting kurigana take it to the cemetery. To tati SDRF tage. So they come and help us in taking care of the dead body. Hospital di Morizegwali though, it is the duty of the hospital staff to plastic bag di halitigena, coffin di halitigena, they'll send out the dead body. And then from there, the SDRF will take care. Kurigida cemetery tak loi jai. So, Korti Loi Javali Montagalibi, now that SOP is there, not more than 20% should be there during the service last rite time. The Iniga that SOP is there. We try to enforce that one, but then for us also, we cannot go everywhere and then supervise all the funeral services. That is how it is done. Well, libi ami janai devoli mon thagado. Once a person dies, the virus is not going to jump out from the body. Okay. Manutu morisegweli first sanitize kuridi inside the hospital. Plastic bag di halibo, sanitize kuridibo, coffin di halidigena, coffin bi sanitize kuridi ase. So from a dead body to get infected, the chances is very minimal. So unnecessarily amakan dead body as well bishi manokan poi lagi. It is not the dead body, but it is the person who are alive and moving around near the dead body. Those are the person who knows it may be a positive case also among those people. Itu karni dead body pra infection papoli to chances to bishi komdiazi. Itu karni amakan dead body to with due respect we should give the last right to any dead person.
तो सर अपनी क्वाला हिसाब से मिले तो बावरा सैनिटाइज कुइने तांगे इना किवा कॉफिन खांदे हालिया इनहां कुइले तो गोड़े लोई जाइने इने बावरा तांगे funeral rights kan respect दिने किवा कुइले भी it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. तो इतु तो महान बिची जानियो मन थागेला क्वेश्चन एकता आंसर कुइलिशे आरो तो इना हले ताहन burial kan do family निजो हे कुरे
Nichur Biguri, and then there are STRF are there to help the burial also.
तो महान next question दे जाओ primary health centers. Primary health centers kando kine ase tahando COVID case tare report kuile tade rahe treatment ku na ina hospitals khande anibo kode COVID patients khange sase aru tare oxygen khan asna nai aru ine COVID-19 treat ko karne kits kan available asna nai.
In all the health unit, we have given oxygen. They have at least 1-2 cylinder of oxygen in all the health unit. Aru, they have been issued protective BB equipments also, masks and sanitizer and soap. That is for emergency cases. But then we don't expect a sub-center or primary health center to take care of any COVID cases because manpower become the facility pinai. Itu karne paradak since we have a designated COVID hospital, it's better to shift any suspected case to the district hospital so that we don't expose other people and staff to COVID. Libya, India, Dimapur, since COVID is almost everywhere, who knows? With some mild symptom, they may be dropping into any health unit also. So that is the danger unless the healthcare worker, they take care of themselves.
Okay. So sir, lastly, Mohan, in a pandemic la time de public kan ki message di wole mona se ina la time de kinya nijor ke care kuru lage aru kinya kon ge modot kuru lage itu kan aru ine kon ge modot kuina ina la time de uli sob manu eke lore khara kuina itu virus la upor jitiule message ekta diwa public kan ke
Public ke koboli to kotha mane bi itu ase shortest there. All the SOPs are in place. Masks lagabi koi. Holi bi amang kola di panding na bi rai thage. Social distancing no kure. Still important, but beside that, to say go nai. Itu karni mask is one of the most important as of now, because it has been proven that the virus spread through droplets, air, right? Itu karni to be protected, we have to wear masks, social distance at least at 6 feet. We have to maintain. Of course, we are not maintaining. Kurigana that. Social catering can any events in the family lagabi hobi to sakambi hobi itu can be. I think it is better to postpone and avoid as of now till this pandemic is over.
So itya aru lastly question ekta aishe itu steaming ina inhalation do helpful ase.
Last year laga virus kando. It goes inside through the nose and it stay in the sinus for some time. Slowly it goes into our airways, lungs. Itu time the last year it was advocated that steam inhalation do kuri thakibo lage there because the steam kills the virus. But maybe achi this time hunado this mutant variant kando it goes directly to the lungs. But in any case, steam inhalation will be very helpful because the heat will kill the virus.
Okay, doctor, तो आपने ये पिछले things जैसे मान public kan करने मान वाली भी questions जाने वो मान मैंने खुदिया हम भी इन्हें मान के बावरा इन्हें patient है कि मान के answer खुदिया करने और इत्या मान back studio ले जाओ over to you आतु.
Thank you so much, okay. Maro questions kan kunwa add kole mun jaw dade to amni CMO ge hodio par ke itya district hospital le kiman patients coronavirus were admitted huina ase.
Okay, sir, itya ro studio ra question ekta ge ase aru itu itya COVID positive hoine patients kan kiman district hospital de ase.
I don't have the exact figure because we have around 6 private hospital also. I'll get the report after some time only. But almost all the hospitals ICU are full as of now. Only some ordinary beds with oxygen may be available. So we have around more than 200 plus bed, COVID bed, and plus more than 60 ICU. So ICU kan to itya tak to pura full ase goise. Aro that ordinary beds with oxygen also most of the beds are occupied. The exact figure ulap time pungja nai for me to get the report, so I'm sorry I cannot give the exact figure right now.
I believe mohan itu report kan do as soon as I hear lo de mohan news channel ra holi aru social medias kan ra holi aru ina channel kan ra holi aru information to dio paru through you. Aru are there any more questions?
Yes, district hospital de manpower kini ga ase hodio le parwa.
District hospital de main power kiman ase na hote se. Ya jani.
They have around 40 medical officers and around 80 nurses because itya transfer posting can be something is happening and new redeployment is coming in, so there will be roughly around 40 medical officers and 80 nurses
Itu enough asna na hodio parwa.
Any more questions? To itu kan do enough ase itya karne do patients kan ahya kan de sawale.
Itya, what I'm hearing from district hospital is that they need some manpower because they work in shift, 8-hourly shift, and they're running 4 wards, COVID wards. So in all the wards, MO should be there, and then 3 to 4 nurses on shift should be there. Inga gurisagali to even that 80 also komdi hoye jay. So 24 hours they, if we can calculate 4 into say 332 jay ek din de. So that rotation kiti aibo itu time de tar kambi bisi duk pai jay. Itu karone ulap patient load ulap heavy hua karone tar kambi ulap duk pai ase iniga hone saida from the hospital.
Or since government of India right ko gina se final year MBBS students kan ge takan ge COVID duties kan ge padaule to Nagaland de itu laga ki update ase.
To government of India MBBS students kan bi tan recruit question shi itu pandemic de help kule to Nagaland de India iku information asna nai.
No, we don't have any information for those people coming who are likely to come from mainland India. But state government, they have recruited more than 50 plus just day before yesterday or Naga MBBS student, MBBS doctors. So I think with the induction of these young people, I think we'll be getting more support.
18 plus kan laga vaccine doses ki man bache gina ase hodio le parwa.
18 plus la vaccine kan do kiman jin kuine ase 18 plus years old man.
I don't have that figure. DIU is having that figure, but then the slot in each slot it is little bit less the number of the vaccine dia to etu karni I think olop kiba koribo pare olop we have been given only 6,500 doses for 18 to 44. So I don't have the exact figure. DI will be having.
FSR nursing school bari recruit corona nai.
Sorry?
CIHSR nursing school kan bari recruit corona nai hudule parwa. Nurses kan.
Itu CHSIR la itu tariravi nurses can recruit quest na
Not yet as of now.
Mohan itya aro Nagaland de kundu ala vaccines kan July ase aro itu bichide aro vaccine lua bichide ki kurule lage ki kurule na lage itu labi kiba hudule parwa.
Sorry, can you repeat your question, please?
Mohan Nagaland de kundu ala vaccines kan July ase mohan itya aro vaccine lua bichide ki kurule lage ki na kurule lage itu kan la oporibi kiba information hudule parwa taige.
Itu vaccination inya dia khan ki khando itu hando kun ra in charge lo ase aro vaccination loa pichire ki kuro lage aro ki na kuro lage.
Vaccination, it is being supervised by district immunization officer, and in each vaccination site there are health workers who are supervising them. So vaccination they used to keep for 30 minutes observation there. Though at the time they alag pishi advice be develop in after vaccination, but if they develop some mild symptoms, itu tawai khabu lage, itu khandu advice di tage.
Manu mura laga rate kundu age group te sabse bishi ase age group kundu de sabse bishi ase itu hudule parwa.
Aru COVID related deaths kando kundu age group pe bishi death rates kan ase.
60 years and above. Tarkan olap pishi ase. This is within this month after I took over. Okay. So 60 years and above to olap pishi ase, and followed by 50, 40, 30, 20. Itu nisina the higher the age, itu death rate be bishi ase. And then among them, diabetes and hypertension cases can do all of PCS.
Mohan itya bai tegela vaccine do kiman percent effective ase itu hudule parwa.
Manitya loi thagala vaccine do kiman tak effective ase.
We don't have a specific information that up to this period it will be effective, but some are saying that it may be effective up to 7, 6, 7, 8 months. It will be effective hobo. Inigato goyase.
Mohan aro itya data pa nishna third wave aro ahewli nishna ase na pshi to mohan bi third wave karne mohala Nagaland bi mohan ini manpower hilibi ki facility hilibi mohan kini prepared ase kiman prepared ase itu bi hudule parwa.
Man third wave to aro ahibo ina labi news kan to ahi ase to itu third wave karne man Nagaland de kiman prepared hoina ase.
See, whatever we are doing now, trying to come up with a new makeshift hospital. So, amakan state nodal officer kikito sa paigana ase. So, amakan discussion be that we should be prepared for the third wave. Itu focus rakigina whatever preparation is happening now. Itu third wave or be prepared guribu isapte. amakan that makeshift hospital in IHM, Institute of Hotel Management. They starting with 100 bedded within 1 week, and then we can ramp up to more than 200 in that same building. So itu laga bhabana di kuri ase to.
तो मान इतिया एक न्यूज़ सुनी शे that sir अलग emergency काम करने भी जाओ लगे से तो questions इमान तक है वो जाओ overview आतु.
Thank you so much for information, Akre. Mohan itia CMU ye khota ko gina information pa nishna tai tarwa ko nishna kali mohan at least 1000 cylinders kando pauli ase kushi aro itia hospitals kande 200 beds kan nishna 200 beds each hospital de 200 beds nishna ase kushi aro next week de makeshift kan district hospital de with 100 beds dan start kurle ase kushi aro idu ekla noi na itia shortage of beds kando iman do nai kushi state te আৰু ইটো লগা উপৰে ইডেন আৰু ফেট হস্পিটেল কান্দে এতিয়া দক টু মেকশিফট হস্পিটেল দিবাপুৰি থাকে গান ইটোহান আছে কুছি আৰু এতিয়া তাকপি মহান ইনি মানু মুয়া লগা কেसेस তো অক্সিজেন নাথাকা ইনে গাম পৰা দ ৰেকৰ্ড কৰিনা একটা বি নাই কুছি আৰু around last week laga data hisab to do around 70000 manu andu vaccinate huina ase kushi Nagaland de aro itia dak to iku severe side effects can be affect hoigina nai kushi aro tai CMO bar aro kushi ki mohan something is better than nothing do idu mohan itia do vaccination do he mohan laga way out ase aro itu mohan la only option nishina hoigina ase ino kushi tai aro itu laga opore itia recovery rate to Dimapuri saishukulu de man do high nai kushi aro mild cases kan this time do bishi highly bishi extra record hua se kushi aro itu lopore tai arbi kushi ke government bi tagan kiman help korle pare ase itu do tagan help kora dikhi pai ase kushi aro itu logo opore last year logo de compare kushi kuli do this year do iman stigma dikhabi stigma bi na dikhe ina kushi because ida do colony khan bi tagan bi responsible huina tagan bi forward aina tagan bi itu sagan doile tagan bi itu covid cases kan track kuya gan aro manugan ini ida tagan bi involve hogan ini dikhi pai ase kushi aro tai kushi ki dead bodies kan lagode bara do infect manu infect hole iman chances nai kushi because dead bodies kan do power sanitize kuri nai tagan phatai ina kushi idu logo podi aro primary health care centers kan do alakte thakile primary health care centers kan do itia do manu ge treat kule laga facility do itia dak tu nai inega kushi aro ita dak pe itu black fungus lagan do itu iman information nai ina kushi itu tagishi moan aji CMO la hat pro information bagan